In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to change dimension text size in Autocad 2026. Whether you're working on a professional project or just learning the ropes, adjusting dimension text size is an essential skill that can significantly enhance the readability and presentation of your drawings. Let's dive right in and take a look at this straightforward process. Start by clicking on the dimension whose text size you want to change. Doing this will help you identify which dimension style is currently being used. Knowing the dimension style is crucial because that's what you'll be modifying next. Once you know which style is currently in use, we're going to head over to the Dimension Style Manager. You can do this quickly by simply typing the letter D into the command line and pressing Enter. This brings up the Dimension Style Manager, which is the central hub for adjusting various dimension styles. Now, with the Dimension Style Manager open, find and select the style that your dimension is using. Once selected, look for the Modify button and give that a click. This action will allow you to alter specific properties within that style. Next, within the Dimension Style window, navigate to the Text tab. This is where all the text-related settings reside. Look for the text height option in this menu. It is here that you have the ability to enter a new value for the text height. You'll see a number there which represents the current size of your dimension text. Change this number to the desired size. You may need to adjust this value several times and experiment with different numbers to get the perfect text size for your project. Keep in mind that text size can greatly affect the clarity of your dimensions, so don't hesitate to tweak this multiple times if necessary until it looks just right on your drawing. Once you're satisfied with the new text size, go ahead and press OK to apply the changes. Sometimes the adjustments might not be perfect on the first go, and that's completely normal. The key is to experiment with different values to find the exact size that fits your specific needs. You want your dimensions to be clearly readable, yet appropriately sized for the scale of